Throwing it back to the early days of childhood when I would go to church functions and there would be this punch in a big punch bowl with a ladle and lots of glass cups. It was so fun. I call this church lady punch, and it's exactly what it sounds like. The church ladies made the punch. So it is pineapple juice, cranberry juice, and ginger ale. And I do 2 parts of cranberry juice. You can use any flavor. I actually prefer the cran pineapple version. So 2 parts of the cran pineapple juice, 2 parts ginger ale, and then 1 part pineapple juice. Mix it all up. Put it in your pitcher of choice and pour it out for you and your friends. Y'all, this boiling, bottling ginger ale is amazing. It's my new go-to, my new favorite. Love it. Now, could you use seltzer water? Sure, you probably could. I've never done that, but go for it. Also, if you're feeling frisky, add in a little tequila or some vodka. It's just delicious, y'all. What do you think? Did you have this growing up?